Welcome aboard Explorer of the Seas for this room tour of interior cabin 6347. As you enter the cabin, on your right is coat hooks, and on the left is a large wardrobe space. This is sufficient space for hanging a large amount of clothes, as well as storage for 2 large cases and 2 carry-on suitcases. There are wire shelves to the side for additional storage. A tip if you aren't hanging clothes is to remove any hangers that aren't in use, as to prevent hangers rattling and hitting off the units, which can occur even in seas that aren't that rough. You will also find your room master light switches at the entrance too. Next to the entrance is a dressing table with mirrors. These are illuminated with lights. You will also find US and EU plug sockets here, as well as your volume controls for in-cabin announcements. The chef choice for a Diamond Plus guest was a fruit bowl with a massive wedge of camembert cheese. At the side of the mirror at the dressing table are 2 concealed storage units with shelves, suitable for storing small items. We use these for keeping medication, plasters, suntan lotion in, and for grabbing easily if heading ashore. Next to the dressing table is the temperature control. There are also 8 drawers in the dressing table area. The room is overall in good condition despite the ship being 26 years old. You can see that they have carried out a repair to this drawer front with screws. The door next to these conceals the fridge, suitable for keeping drinks chilled. Above this is 2 cupboards, one with a shelf where we have stored some banana chips, and another concealing a small safe suitable for small valuables. Below this is a medium-sized flat screen TV which has a range of channels. TV can be swiveled to view in bed. On the opposite side of the cabin is a large sofa bed. The room is 150 square feet and felt much more spacious than it looks in this video. The ample storage space keeps all of your belongings hidden away. There is a comfortable king-size bed which can be split into 2 singles. On each side is a side table. With a phone on one, there is no plug sockets at the bed for charging. Next to the bathroom door is a full-length mirror. The bathroom is very well laid out and the shower cubicle comfortable for one. Royal Caribbean's Salt and Breeze bath products are provided. You'll find additional storage behind the side mirrors and under the sink unit.